Introducing the Razorpay add-on, using which you will be able to create paid quizzes in seconds. Now your website visitors will be able to pay for your quizzes without leaving your website. With just simple steps, the website visitors will be able to get access for your quizzes. So now the payment is successfully done and the quiz is open for the usage. So now let's go and see how this add-on works. For that, all we need to do is to have the Pro version of the Quizmaker plugin installed and activated on our WordPress dashboard and the Razorpay integration add-on as well. So here we are in the dashboard of the Quizmaker plugin. For activating the Razorpay integration add-on, we'll need to move to the General Settings tab. Here, move to the Integrations tab. Scroll a little bit down and here you will be able to find the Razorpay Integrations tab. Here we can see that for activating the add-on, we'll need to have the Razorpay key ID and Razorpay key secret. So first of all, for using the Razorpay integration add-on, make sure to have your Razorpay account. After that, click on this link and you will be redirected to the right page where you can copy the needed information. Here we can see that I have already created a key, but for regenerating a new key, all you need to do is to click on the Regenerate Key button and choose the first option so that the previous key will be deleted immediately. Then click on the OK button. Click on the Submit button for creating new keys. Copy the given keys and paste them in the appropriate field. Here you can choose between these two payment terms. First, the lifetime, and the second one is only for the one-time payment. By choosing the lifetime payment, the users will be able to pay only once for passing the given quiz. By choosing the one-time payment, the users will need to pay every time they need to pass the given quiz. Let's choose the one-time payment and click on the Save Changes button. After activating the integration, let's move to our quiz itself and go to the Integration submenu. Scroll a little bit down and here again you will find the Razorpay integration settings. For enabling the integration, do not forget to tick this option. Otherwise, the integration will not be available. Here you can choose the amount that users must pay for passing your quiz. Here again you can choose the payment method which is acceptable for you. In this case, I've chosen the Indian rupee option. Then again, click on the Save button. Now the integration is already activated, but now let's go to the Settings tab and choose which payment type we want to use. Here we have the prepay and postpay options, but for this given quiz, I will choose the prepay option. And after that, again, click on the Save Changes button and let's go and see what result we will get. So here we are. After activating the integration, this is how our quiz will look like. For starting the quiz, first of all, we'll need to click on the Pay Now button. So here we are. As you can see, the system allows us to choose the appropriate payment method for us. You can choose by using this QR code or you can choose by your card and so on. But now let's choose the card option. But as it is a test example, we can make use of the information provided by the Razorpay itself. You can move to their documentations and there you can find this information as well. Let's copy the given number, add it here, write the expiration date, write the name, and click on the Pay Now button. Here you can choose the Pay and Save card option or just pay without saving your card. Now we will need to choose the Success option, and the payment is successfully done. Let's click on the OK button and now we have the full access for our quiz. So make sure to try the new Razorpay integration add-on and make the process of earning money with your quizzes even easier.